Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we'll show you how to locate and change a fuse on BMW E90 E92 E93. Okay, we have that 2007 BMW 328xi. And well, we need to clean it. Don't blame us, it's not and it's bad now, but we'll show you guys how to locate the fuses, how to replace them, what you need to use, because the way they put the fuse, you cannot barely reach with your hand and the tool that BMW provided. So if you open, guys, okay, let me show you the passenger door now. Let me get some light and open the glove box. Okay, once you open the glove box, there is two red black things that you need to turn up. Okay, like that, and you can pull the lid out of there. So we're gonna include the diagram in a second as well. Stay with us, we're gonna show you. But now let us show you where the fuses are and how to reach them. So, okay, you can see the fuses are all the way to the back. Now the red thing, okay, right there, right under my finger, that's the tool that BMW provided for it. Okay, this one right here. But it's really inconvenient to use this one. Okay, let's say I want to pull that fuse here, 5, it's almost impossible. So what I do, my personal car, guys, will show you how to do that. Get pliers, okay, small pliers, needle pliers. Okay, just to find them quick. And you have the light here, guys. Okay, you can see BMW light. If yours is still good, you can use that one, but the batteries tend to go bad on those. So now, if you want to pull a fuse, okay, let's see. We want the 5 amp on the bottom, which is related to tail lights, headlights, things like that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull it with the pliers. Easy. Okay, you can see, just like that. And you can install it with the pliers, even with your hands it's fine, but it's hard to use the other two to pull them out of there. So now let us show you quick, guys, okay, how to the fuse diagram, and if you need for anything. Okay, let me just turn the light off so we can focus a little bit better if you need them. Okay, those are the fuses by numbers and what amperage they need to be. Okay, and when you flip this one, okay, on the side here you have more that you can see. Okay, just like that. Those are the fuses and what they're used for. Okay, so let us hold it like that. So if you need one of those, you can find it here and replace it. It tells you which one is for what. So that will be the whole procedure, guys, the whole informative video today. Just to show you where to find the fuses if you need to replace one. It's not the best location if you ask me, but it's still reachable. And if you need the diagram, we included that one as well. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.